This Etsy shop has earned more than $3.3 million, but this is not an exception. There are several other shops that have had similar earnings. In this video, I will tell you how exactly these shops are making money. I will analyze the income of these shops for you, and I will teach you how you can produce similar products very quickly with free AI tools, and start making money right now. Remember, you can start this business in less than 15 minutes and enjoy your first passive income from this month. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. You probably know the Etsy platform. Etsy is an American e-commerce company focused on handmade or vintage items and craft supplies. If we look for images in PNG file format on this platform to print on clothes or mugs or anything else, we will see that many people are making tons of money by selling these images. And most interestingly, the competition among people who work in this business is much less than in other branches. Now you may ask, okay, how much money can be made in this way? I am not lying if I say that there are people who are currently making as much money as a heart surgeon from selling these pictures. Well, what are these images that generate so much income? These are clip art images that are often sold in PNG format without background, and can be printed on t-shirts, mugs, paper, or anything else. Actually, until a few months ago, producing each of these images took at least 2 days, but now, thanks to AI art generator tools, with the method I will teach you in this video, you can create 30 of these images within 15 minutes. Okay, first let's check out some shops on Etsy and estimate their earnings, then I'll teach you how to make 30 of these images in 15 minutes. To estimate how much a shop on Etsy earns, we can use the elai website. I put the link of this website in the description. After signing up, select the Shop Analyzer option from the left toolbar. Now we have to write the name of the shop in this search bar. Well, let's visit the first one. This is one of the most successful shops for selling clip art on Etsy. We can see examples of images sold by this store. Okay, as written here, these high-quality images are sold in PNG format and cost at least $2. Let's estimate the revenue of this shop. So far this store has sold about $3.3 million on Etsy and has a monthly income of about $30,000. I know you are surprised. This revenue analysis may not be very accurate, but it is less than 10% different from the real number. Let's check another store that sells less. Well, this shop could be a very good example. If we take a look at the comments section, we can see that a lot of clip art images have been sold by this shop just today and yesterday, so this means that this business is still alive and in demand. Well, according to elai, this store has earned about $73,000 on this platform. And the last example is this store with about $61,000 in revenue from the sale of clip art images. Okay, we have reached the main part of this video. Let's see how can we make hundreds of these clip art images very quickly. Well, we use Leonardo AI to create clip art images. You must have already registered on this AI art generator tool. Well, on the first page of this AI tool, you can see all the images created recently by other users. Just type clip art in the search bar, then click on top and choose all images on the left. Also choose the upscaled option from the right side of filters. Okay, now you have thousands of images at your disposal. Choose whichever one you like and then just click the remix button. On this page, without changing the settings, just click on the generate button. This AI image generator will create 4 images similar to the original one for you. Hey! Look what beautiful images it made. These are great for printing on shirts. The last trick, you don't need Photoshop to remove the background. This AI image generator will do everything for you. Click on each of these images, you will see several options at the bottom of the image. Now, just click the first one to upscale your image and then click the remove background button. Okay, done. You made 4 images in less than 2 minutes. Create your shop on Etsy right now and sell these images for at least $3. I myself started last week and so far I have earned about $30. Hopefully by the end of spring I will reach $2,000 per month. In the next videos, I will show you my store. Thank you for watching. In this channel I will keep you updated on the newest AI tools and advancements in technology. Subscribe to stay up to date with the latest breakthroughs.